Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Hope all of you are doing well as usual. Today we will solve one problem on circular motion. Let's read the problem. A particle is released on a vertical smooth circular track from point X so that OX makes an angle theta from the vertical. The normal reaction of the track on the particle vanishes at point Y where OY makes an angle phi with the horizontal. Then these are the four options given to us, which actually gives the relationship between these two angles. Okay, now how to work out this problem and what is the methodology of this problem? A particle is released from a vertical smooth circular track from point X. See, there is one particle at point X and that particle is being released from point X. So when it reaches Y, then its normal reaction is 0. Now let OX makes an angle theta with the vertical and OY makes an angle phi as shown in the diagram with the horizontal. Now we want to find out the relationship between this theta phi. Now how to solve this problem? The methodology is this. Now see, when particle moves from X to Y, then the change in potential energy is equal to the kinetic energy. And then another thing is that here they mention that at point Y, the normal reaction vanishes. Means here, where this mg is directed in the downward direction, they resolve mg into two components. Then write the force equation, write the expression for the centripetal force. That time the normal reaction is 0. So by using those two equations, we have to get this relation. So let's see the first case, how to get the relationship among theta and phi. As I told you earlier, we have to consider that change in potential energy is equal to kinetic energy because the particle is released from point X and reaches from point Y. So therefore, potential energy at point X minus potential energy at point Y is equal to kinetic energy. So this will be mgh1 minus mgh2 is equal to half mv square. So now this m will cancel and then you will get 2 into g h1 minus h2 is equal to v square. Now we will have to find out h1 and h2. Now it's very simple. See here, and now when this angle is theta, then definitely this angle is also theta, and let this radius be r. This radius be r. So therefore, what will be cos theta here? Cos theta will be h1 upon r. Cos theta will be h1 upon r. Therefore, h1 is equal to r cos theta. This is the first equation. Another thing, now how to find out h2? Now when this angle is phi, in this right angle triangle, this becomes 90 minus phi. Okay, now here, so therefore now what is cos 90 minus phi? Cos 90 minus phi is equal to h2 upon r. But cos 90 minus phi is sin phi. Therefore, sin phi is equal to h2 upon r. Hence, h2 is equal to r sin phi. h2 is equal to r sin phi. So I will substitute this h1 and h2 in this equation. Very simple. So therefore, it will be 2g into r cos, h1 is r cos theta minus r sin phi is equal to v square. Now r will come out as a common factor. So 2gr into cos theta minus sin phi. So now we have got one equation for v square. So this is, we'll take this as a part 1. Now let's go for the part 2. As I told you earlier, here weight mg we will resolve into two components. So let the weight mg is in this direction. So then this will be one component and this will be another component. So now the angle made with this is 90 minus phi. So this component will be mg into cos 90 minus phi means mg sin phi. So this component is mg sin phi and this component is mg sin 90 minus phi. Okay, now what about the normal reaction? The normal reaction will be in this direction. This is the normal reaction. Okay, so therefore the net centripetal force here is, the net centripetal force is mg sin phi minus n is equal to mv square upon r. Now they have mentioned that at point y the normal reaction vanishes. At point y the normal reaction vanishes. So we'll put n equal to 0. So n is equal to 0 because it is mentioned in the problem. So hence we will get mg sin phi is equal to mv square upon r. So now here m will get cancelled and v square will come out to be r sin phi into this g. So this is rg sin phi. Now we will equate these two equations. This is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. When we equate these two equations, we will get gr sin phi is equal to 2gr into cos theta minus sin phi. Cos theta minus sin phi. So this gr and gr will cancel. So then we will get here sin phi is equal to 2 cos theta minus 2 sin phi. So therefore now this 2 sin phi will take it to this side. This will be 3 sin phi is equal to 2 cos theta. Hence sin phi is equal to 2 upon 3 cos phi. So now let's see which is the correct option. Sin phi is equal to 2 by 3 cos phi. So the correct option is this. Sin phi is equal to 2 by 3 cos theta. I hope all of you understood this problem. And students, if you really want to improve your performance in JEE examinations and MSCT examination, I strongly recommend all of you to subscribe our channel. Thank you.